tayo. Gamit ko ngayon yung travel bike. Guys, ito tayong Bridgetown ngayon. Game guys. Papasok sa Parklinks Sugar mas better mas better dito than the Bridgetown kasi marami pang construction doon. This is Parklinks, very good place to bike and to run. Linis. Yep, so that's Bridgetown Parklinks. So ikot na lang tayo konti pa and then tayo. Happy weekend!